Have you ever gone to Jamaica, or have you ever met a Jamaican in a foreign country and they're talking and you don't understand a word that they're saying? Well, today I am going to give you some Jamaica patois that is used, and I'm going to try to translate them in English so you will understand. So these are some Jamaican phrases that we refer to as patois or broken English. So I'm going to try and translate them in English so you guys would know exactly what we're saying and or what we mean when we use these terms. So when you are talking to a Jamaican and the person said to you, "Me soon come," what the person is saying is, "I will be right back." Also, if you ask a Jamaican where they're from and then said, "You know, me a yardie, me come from Jam Down, from Jamrock," all the person is saying, "I am a Jamaican." When a Jamaican said to you, "This is my brethren," all he's saying to you that this is my male friend. So when he said to you, "This is my sister," all he's saying to you is, "This is my female friend." So when a Jamaican come to visit your home and he's leaving and he said to you, "See you little more," or "Walk good," all he's saying to you is, "Bye, I will see you later." When you're trying to explain something to a Jamaican or you are showing them something and the person said to you, "Zine," all he's saying to you is, "I understand." When a Jamaican asks you the question, "Where you depon?" all he's saying is, "What are you up to?" When a Jamaican is in an argument, they often use the term, "me no business." What he's simply saying is, "I don't care." When a Jamaican said to you, "What ya say?" what he's saying is, "What are you saying?" When you're talking to a Jamaican and he said to you, "Inna the marrows," what he's saying to you is, "I will see you tomorrow." When a Jamaican says to you, "Bless up," all he's saying to you is, "Have a good day." So when a Jamaican said to you, "Wagwan," all he's saying is, "What's up?" If you're doing something and a Jamaican says, "Turn up the thing," what he's saying to you is, "Step up your game or perform much better." When a Jamaican says, "No ramp with me," all he's saying, "Do not mess with me." So if you go to an event with a Jamaican and you ask them, "How was the party?" and they reply, "The party turn up," all he's saying that it was a great party. So if you're speaking to a Jamaican and you hear them use a term, "You're too bad, man," what the person is saying is that you are jealous. When a Jamaican said, "The thing sell off," or "it turn up," or "it wicked," what he's saying is that it was excellent. If you ask a Jamaican for something and the person respond and said, "It over there," or "it over there so," all the person is saying is that it is over there. So when a Jamaican is expressing themselves, either they're surprised or they're scared and they cry out, "Jeez and peace," all they're saying is, "Oh my gosh." So when a Jamaican says, "Boy, the person does a blabber their mouth," what they're actually saying is that the person is talking too much. When a Jamaican use the term, "You not dead yet," or "me think you ain't dead," what the person is trying to say to the next person is that, "I have not seen you in such a long time." When a Jamaican says, "Me a dead with laugh," this means that the joke is so funny that they are laughing out of control. When a Jamaican uses the term, "the older the moon, the brighter it shine," what they're actually saying, as a person gets older, they become wiser. When a Jamaican says, "Every hour of them tick a bush," what they're actually saying is, doesn't matter how a person look, they have somebody out there who will love them unconditionally. "Me no like it," I don't like it. You know the home. Are you home? Me no understand. I don't understand. What your name? What is your name?